Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals in a week. Start by creating a comprehensive study schedule for the upcoming 7 days. This plan should outline specific times for each subject, ensuring you allocate enough time to cover all material. Next, identify all the subjects and topics that will be on your final exams. Prioritize these based on their difficulty and how much they contribute to your overall grade. Finally, gather all your textbooks, notes, and any other study materials you'll need. Now, it's time to actively engage with your study material. Don't just passively read. Instead, review your notes and textbook chapters, highlighting important information. Practice with past exams or sample questions to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions. Try explaining difficult concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner. This helps solidify your understanding. Creating flashcards for key terms and definitions is also a highly effective method. To optimize your study sessions, consider using the Pomodoro technique. This involves studying intensely for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This method helps maintain focus and prevents mental fatigue. It's crucial to concentrate on one subject at a time, avoiding the temptation to multitask. Remember to take short, regular breaks throughout your study day to prevent burnout. Also, staying well hydrated and eating nutritious meals will significantly boost your concentration. As the exams approach, dedicate time for a final review of all your summarized material. Focus on areas where you still feel less confident. Crucially, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before each exam. Rest is vital for memory consolidation. On exam day, eat a balanced breakfast to fuel your brain. Finally, arrive early at the exam venue, feeling prepared and calm, ready to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.